fixed deposit. So students, a depositor deposits a certain amount for a fixed period in the bank. This deposit attracts a greater rate of interest than the saving account. Okay, so it attracts a greater rate of interest than the saving account. However, these rates are different in different banks. So as you can see, the rate of interest are different in different banks. And students, senior citizens get a slightly greater rate of interest than the usual. So now what is this? This is an ATM machine, right? So what is the full form of ATM? It is automatic teller machine. So students, an ATM card is used to withdraw cash without going to a bank. And when we open a bank account, the banks give us all the facilities like what? Bank passbook, checkbook, ATM card, mobile banking, SMS banking and internet banking. So similarly, we can withdraw money from any ATM, anytime, anywhere without going to the bank. And so we can withdraw money from any ATM without actually going to where? Without actually going to the bank. Then students, this is what? The picture which you can see on the right hand side is of what? It is of debit card. And the left one is what? This credit card. So students, a credit card or debit card is used to carry out transactions without using cash. Okay, so these two cards are used to carry out transactions without using what? Without using cash. Now students, what is the meaning of credit card? So a credit card is a type of payment that allows you to borrow money against a line of credit. So students, when someone uses a credit card to make a purchase, that person's account accrues a balance that must be paid off each month. So a credit is a measure of person's ability to pay back his/her debt on time. And debit card is what? Debit cards draw money directly from your checking account when you make the purchase. So students, an account holder can get such a card on request to the bank. And students, as we know that as technology has advanced so much, so with the help of internet and internet banking, we can do most of these transactions from home. So we don't have to go to the bank and stand in a line. We can do most of these transactions from home. So students, what are the different types of accounts? First we saw current account. So a current account is mainly for traders and those dealing in money on a daily basis. So an account holder can deposit or withdraw money any number of times in a day. Then next was saving account. So a person can deposit a minimum amount and open a saving account, right? And in some banks, no minimum amount is required for opening an account. Then third was recurring deposit account. So the account holder can decide the amount to be deposited every month in the account. And the last was fixed deposit. So a depositor deposits a certain amount for a fixed period in the bank.